How to make pictures move in CapCut Mobile. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pictures move in CapCut Mobile. This is perfect for creating dynamic edits or adding some life to your photo. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Tap Add to add the pictures you want to use from your gallery. Once they are on the timeline, you can start animating them. To make a picture move, tap on the image in the timeline to select it. Then scroll through the bottom menu and tap Animation. You'll look three options which are In, Out and Combo. Choose your favorite effect and adjust the duration if needed. For even more control, you can use keyframes. Tap on a picture, then scroll to the keyframe button at the bottom and add a keyframe at the start of your image. Then move the playhead and adjust the position, scale or rotation of the picture. The app will create smooth motion between the keyframes, giving you a custom animation. Once you have added your animations, tap the play button to preview your moving pictures. If you are happy with the result, tap Export to save your project. And that's it. Now you know how to make pictures move in CapCut Mobile. This effect is super easy and adds a lot of creativity to your photos. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.